Captain?
Sunny, warm Los Angeles on the way to the frickin' desert.
Southern California, February 23, 2023.
It's snowing. We're going to San Bernardino and it's snowing. It's scary.
Snow fell in Los Angeles, and today was the first time since 1989 that LA has had a blizzard warning.
For like, I don't know, 12 years something. And it has never sleeted, snowed.
Even though the storm is not new for Northern California, it could be really special in the south of the state, on Friday and Saturday.
It is literally snowing in Los Angeles in my backyard.
The highly dynamic system is likely to bring heavy rain, strong winds, thunderstorms, and possible flooding to areas in and around Los Angeles. In the mountains of LA and Ventura counties, snow levels could drop as low as 1,500 feet, which is about the height of the Hollywood sign. The National Weather Service has issued rare blizzard warnings for the mountains in Los Angeles, Ventura, and San Bernardino counties, starting early Friday. It's only the second time this kind of warning has been issued for the mountains in Los Angeles and Ventura counties, and the first time for the peaks in San Bernardino.
15 or so, and this is what we have.
Overnight snow covered most of Humboldt County on Thursday morning, from sea level to mountain tops. Eureka, Ferndale, and other low-lying towns got about 3 inches of rain, while the mountains got 2 to 3 feet. All of the snow plows in Humboldt County were out shoveling.
Here we go again. This is the second time today it's snowing. It's beautiful, beautiful.
In some parts of Southern California, snow levels dropped to 1,500 feet on Thursday, dusting the mountains and interior foothills.
It's snowing again.
In Yucaipa, a 20-car pileup on the westbound 10 freeway sent 8 people to the hospital. The crash occurred around 11 p.m. near Wildwood Canyon Road.